The National Water Commission NWC will this year be investing $1.4 billion to lay sewer lines along Monroe Road, Retreat Avenue, Seymour Avenue, and Old Hope Road in Kingston and St. Andrew. This includes plans to address the issue of collapsing sewer mains in downtown Kingston, the Greater Portmore Treatment Plant, and sewerage lines in Edgewater and Portsmouth. In his budget presentation last Tuesday, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said he had given directives to Minister Matthew Samuda for the project design to be completed this year.
I have further directed that $450 million be immediately deployed to the worst affected areas within the Market District to provide immediate relief. The NWC has also commenced procurement of an additional HVAC truck to be stationed downtown to ensure that any blockages that emerge are immediately dealt with.
The Prime Minister indicates that an overhaul of the entire potable water, sewerage and drainage networks is required for most of Central and West Kingston. An upgrade to the western section of the Greater Portmore Treatment Plant will be undertaken next year. In the interim, the NWC will install 2 new pumps to cut overflows, increase maintenance, and install perimeter fencing to stop illegal access of cesspool trucks.